Mom, Dad, please come try this dish that I made. I'm not sure if it's good or not. Let me see. Ooh, I think it's quite good. Come on, Dad, don't lie. It can't be good with that look on your face. It's good for your first time. Thank you anyway. What about you, Mom? What do you think of the dish? If I were you, honey, I would add another pinch of salt to it. It's a little bit bland. I got it, Mom. Anything else? No, it really isn't bad for your first time. Great job, honey. Thank you. By the way, Dad, if I were you, I would give my honest thoughts. What? I really think it's not bad. Maybe a little bad. Sure, Dad. Whatever you say. Oh, sweetheart. I'll eat anything you cook. You know that. Thank you for saying that, Dad. I really appreciate it. You're welcome. David, not to ruin your meal, but I wouldn't forget to email my boss if I were in your position. Oh, yes, I almost did forget. Thank God you reminded me. I'll do that after dinner. Hey, Michael. Looking good today. Thanks, Lauren. I can't say that about you, though. What happened? Oh, I'm just tired. Haven't had a good sleep since forever. If I were you, I wouldn't stay up so late. You need to sleep in order to have good skin and let your muscles rest. I know, but I have so much work to do. I hate being an accountant. That's why I want to become an artist. Not only because it's my passion, but I can also work whenever I want. You want to become an artist? That's so cool! What do your parents think about it? I haven't told them yet. I'm not sure if they would support me or not. Why not? If I were you, I would be honest with them. Tell them why you want to become an artist and let them know how happy it would make you. I think all parents want their kids to be happy. You're right. I'm thinking of telling them this weekend. But I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't. Just do it. Get it out of the way, Michael. I'm sure you'll be a great artist. Thank you so much, Lauren. I appreciate it. Oh my God! Mark! Mark! Come here! What's wrong, darling? I think I'm pregnant. Oh my God! This is the best news ever! You are going to be an amazing mom, Linda. And you are going to be an amazing dad. I'm so happy. Have you told your parents or my parents yet? No, I haven't. I told you as soon as I found out. Let's call them. If they knew, they would be so surprised and happy. I agree. But should we tell them in person instead of calling them? I think that would be even more special. Sure, honey. We can wait and do that later if you want. Yes, I still can't believe it. Me neither. How do you feel? Well, I don't feel any different with my body than before because it hasn't been very long. But I do feel very excited. Me too. We should go see a doctor soon. I'll make an appointment. Good idea. This stupid laptop. What's wrong with it? I can't open any files. Ugh! What's wrong, Mary? Why are you yelling? My laptop. It isn't working, and I have a very important task to do today. Let me see if I can help. I think this issue is serious. You should probably get it fixed professionally. I don't have time for that. If Jack were here, he would know how to fix it. Oh, Mary. You guys broke up a while ago. Are you still not over him? Not really. I still miss him a lot. It's alright. Take your time. You know what? You can use my laptop for now and go get your laptop fixed later. Thank you so much, Lisa. Oh, you are a lifesaver. You're welcome. Now get that task done, girl. I'm on it. Are you sure you don't need to use it? Not until next week. Okay.
Unit 1. He's out to lunch. Hi, doctor.
Laura, I'm going out to lunch now.
What time will you be back?
I'll be back around 1 o'clock.
Dr. Roberts' office? No, he's not in. He's gone out for lunch and he'll be back at 1 o'clock. Goodbye.
Hi, Laura.
Hi, Dr. William.
Is Robert in?
No, he's going out for lunch.
Oh, what time will he be back?
1 o'clock.
Thank you.
Bye. Dr. Roberts' office? No, I'm sorry. He's out for lunch. Can I take a message? Call James. Okay, I'll give him the message. You're welcome. Bye. Layla? Yes, Laura? I'm going out for lunch. Can you answer the phone? Sure. What time will you be back? 1:30. 1:30? Right, and Dr. Robert is out to lunch, and he'll be back at 1 o'clock. Okay, well, have a nice lunch. Thanks. Dr. Roberts' office? No, I'm sorry. He's out to lunch. He'll be back at 1:30. No. 1 o'clock. Yes, I can take a message. Your name? John. And your phone number? 543-9876. Okay, just 1 second, please. Hold on. Hello? Oh, no. 543-9786? No. 543-9687? No. Dr. Roberts' office? No, Laura is out for lunch. She'll be back at 1 o'clock. You're welcome. Bye. Dr. Roberts' office? I'm sorry. Dr. Robert is out for lunch. He'll be back at, Do you want to leave a message? Okay, call Dr. Brian at 3 o'clock. Okay, thank you. I'll give him the message. You're welcome. Bye. Hello, Dr. Roberts' office. Hello, Dr. Roberts' office.
Unit 2, I have to go shopping. Hi, Layla. This is Daniel.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, Layla. Can you go to a movie with me on Friday?
On Friday?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I can't. I have to go visit a friend in the hospital.
Okay, next time then.
Sure, Daniel.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Adela.
Yes?
This is Daniel.
Oh, hi, Daniel.
How are you?
Oh, I'm just fine.
Adela, can you go dancing with me on Friday night?
Oh, Daniel, I'm sorry, but I have to go shopping with my mom Friday night.
Really, that is too bad.
Yeah, I'm really sorry.
No problem.
I'll talk to you later, Daniel.
Bye.
Hello?
Hello, may I speak to Finn, please?
Just a minute, please. Finn?
Yeah, Mom?
Hello?
Hey, Finn, it's Daniel.
Oh, hi, Daniel. What are you doing?
Well, I'm calling to see if you can go bowling with me on Friday night.
I'm sorry, I can't. I'll have to go shopping with Adela on Friday night.
Shopping with Adela?
Yes, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Bye, Finn.
Bye-bye. Hello, Helen? Oh, I'm so busy. I have to go to the supermarket. I have to go to the bank. I have to clean the house. I have to wash my clothes. And I have to cut the grass. And I have to cook dinner. Me too. I have to go to the beauty shop. I have to go to the hospital to visit a friend. I have to go to the dentist. I have to visit my mother. I'm busy too. Well, talk to you later. Bye. Unit, why are you late? Are you ready to order?
Not yet. I'm waiting for a friend.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I would like another glass of wine, please.
Certainly, sir.
Waiter,
Yes, sir.
where's the phone?
It's over there, sir.
Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. Hello. Table for one? No, for two. I'm meeting a friend. This way, please. Okay. Are you ready to order now, sir?
No, I'm still waiting for a friend.
Yes, sir.
Oh, waiter,
Yes, sir.
where's the men's room?
It's over here, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Where's the ladies' room? It's right over there, ma'am. Okay, thank you. You're welcome.
Selena,
Daniel!
you're late.
I'm late. No, you're late.
No, I've been here for an hour. You're late.
For an hour? Oh, I'm late. Oh, I'm sorry.
Why were you late?
I had to work overtime.
That's okay. Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Let's eat.
Okay.
You're late. I know. Why are you late?
My car broke down.
Your car broke down?
Yeah, so I took the train.
You took the train, so why are you late?
I missed the train.
How did you miss the train?
Well, I had to go to the dentist.
To the dentist?
Yeah, my tooth hurt.
So, how did you get here?
I came by taxi.
By taxi? How are we going to get the money home? We can take another taxi. Taxi? Are you crazy? I'm not crazy. How did you get here? I took the bus. We can just take another bus home. A bus? Are you crazy? I'm not crazy. Stop. This is the police. Oh no, not again.